When people think Earl's Plumbing, some people might think we just fix pipes, but it's a lot more than that. We handle complete bathroom remodels, from demo all the way to tile and final finishes, and we stay on site until the job is done. We service and install tank and tankless water heaters to keep your home running right. Got a hidden issue? We use specialized tools to find leaks you can't see. We also pump septic tanks, and we video, inspect, and repair sewer lines. Big jobs, small fixes, and everything in between. We've got you and your home covered. Call Earl's Plumbing today. We'll get it fixed right now.